Hi, my name is Rick Golembeski, and I'm the Director of Annual Giving and Alumni Relations for Randolph-Macon College. We're a private liberal arts college in Ashland, Virginia, with around 1,400 students enrolled each year. I joined the Office of College Advancement in November 2013. On my very first day, I was asked to organize a Give Day after the president of Randolph-Macon had just seen the results of another college's Give Day. We wanted to create one day where alumni, students, faculty, and friends were asked to make an online donation during a 24-hour period of time. In only 6 months, our team pulled together the first Macon Day. It was an incredible success. Before Macon Day, the college had never brought in more than 300 gifts in one day. But because of this day, we created for giving to the school, we brought in 952 gifts, totaling over $650,000 on our first try. By tapping into our volunteer base of various alumni boards and class agents, we were able to get the word out leading up to the event. We prepped them on how they could help out, asked them to share videos that we had created, and gave them social media toolkits with sample emails, graphics, and much more to make it easy and fun for them to get involved and share information across their networks. In 2015, Macon Day continued to grow in the number of gifts received and supporters involved, and we have even higher hopes for the future as we empower those closest to us to drive our mission forward.
Hello, I'm Hunter Lehman, and I'm the Executive Director of Sportable. Our organization's purpose is to transform the lives of people with physical and visual disabilities through sport. We provide programming for youth and adults in cycling, wheelchair basketball, road racing, swimming, rowing, and much more. Financial support from our donors often goes towards adaptive equipment for our athletes, sporting events, sport programs, and keeping our membership fees affordable. When I came on board 2 years ago, I quickly realized that we had a volunteer problem. We had way more people wanting to help out with our work than our programming had capacity for. So, working with core volunteers, board members, and peers to figure out how we could turn this into a great opportunity for a different type of engagement through peer-to-peer fundraising, our Army of Orange campaign was born. Last year, we had a goal of raising $50,000, and we raised just over $69,000. This year, we have a goal of raising $100,000 and had over $40,000 committed before the campaign officially kicked off. The Army of Orange is made up of our supporters who've committed to fighting for our cause, advocating for our athletes, and using their peer networks to raise money on our behalf. They participate in races, host parties and celebrations, hold contests, and encourage others to get involved in Sportable by donating through the online platform CrowdRise. Through friendly competition, fun, and sports, we've entrusted and empowered our volunteers and supporters to assist us in creative and meaningful ways that allow us to fulfill our mission.
My name is Tom Zeidel, and I'm the Director of Visitor Services and Membership at the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts. In October 2014, we opened Forbidden City: Imperial Treasures from the Palace Museum, an exhibition that drew crowds of more than 90,000 people over the course of 4 months. The exhibition explored imperial rituals, court paintings, imperial family life, and religion in the ancient Chinese palace that was once forbidden to the public. A month before its opening, we launched a crowdfunding campaign to support and bring awareness to the Forbidden City exhibition and to VMFA's exhibition fund. And at the time, we were among only a few U.S. museums to try crowdfunding as a method to invite donations for a project of this magnitude. Our goal for the campaign was $40,000. The idea of a crowdfunding campaign actually came out of a meeting with the exhibition design team where they talked about using 3D printers to build a scale model of the Forbidden City in the museum atrium over a 4-month period. So we tied our donation levels to the different architectural components of the city, like the Meridian Gate, temples and shrines, tea houses. Donors literally helped us build the Forbidden City as they supported the exhibition. We exceeded our $40,000 goal, raising over $60,000, but it was much more impactful than that. In the end, the campaign helped us attract new online donors, engage longtime donors in a new way, engage a local corporation, and highlight an important cultural exchange between the Palace Museum in Beijing and the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts.
Hi, I'm Ashley Hawkins, founder and executive director of Studio 23, Central Virginia's only community printmaking studio. We make art work through studio facilities, education, artist residency, and open doors. Since 2008, when my art school colleagues and I founded Studio 23, we've had a lot of success. Through careful financial planning, smart management, and community support, we quickly outgrew our location. We had a waitlist for studio space and demand for workshops and events we didn't have room to provide. So, in March of 2015, we launched a capital campaign on Indiegogo to raise $15,000 for the completion of our new studio in Scott's Addition. In one day alone, we raised 25% of our goal. As a staff of one, I really had to rely on the support of my board, get organized, and be creative.
Hey, I'm Ashley Hawkins. I'm the co-founder and executive director of Studio 23. We're Richmond's nonprofit community print shop. We offer 24-hour studio
Through a
access
carefully
for
planned
artists,
social media
community
campaign, viral videos, donation incentives, and community buy-in, we were able to surpass our goal and move into the new space on time in May of 2015. The 7,500 square foot space includes 20 private artist studios, a dedicated classroom space for expanded workshops, a safer, non-toxic communal print shop, an expanded darkroom and digital lab, and a new storefront. With the success of this campaign, we're now in a better position to sustain a creative community of practicing and aspiring artists in order to make sure our city remains a destination for people who love, practice, and appreciate art.